Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace an LED light assembly in one of your refrigerator drawers, be sure to unplug the power cord. Depending on which light assembly you're replacing, open the applicable pantry drawer or the freezer drawer and remove the drawer bin to access the light. Apply some tape to help protect the liner. Use a putty knife or a flathead screwdriver to depress the retaining tabs on both sides of the old light assembly to detach. Disconnect the wire connector to fully remove. Install the new LED light assembly by first connecting the wire connector. With the lens deflector lines facing outward, feed the wire and connector into the liner cavity as you snap the assembly into place. Replace the drawer bin. Plug the power cord back in, and your refrigerator should be ready for use.